Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best intake manifold for Ford F150. Buckle up as we dive into optimal performance and power gains. Stay tuned for expert insights. And remember, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment for more updates. Let's begin. Number 1. D&A Motoring OEM ITM Compatible Intake Manifold. Crafted with precision and designed for seamless compatibility, this manifold ensures optimal performance for your vehicle. Its sturdy construction guarantees durability, while the precise engineering maximizes airflow efficiency, enhancing your engine's power and torque. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play design. Say goodbye to restrictive airflow and hello to improved engine responsiveness. Upgrade your ride with the D&A Motoring OEM ITM Compatible Intake Manifold today. Number 2. A Premium Upper Intake Manifold with Gaskets Thermostat Kits Compatible, your ultimate solution for engine performance enhancement. Crafted with precision, this manifold ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration with your vehicle. Equipped with premium gaskets and a thermostat kit, it guarantees optimal engine temperature regulation, maximizing efficiency and longevity. Say goodbye to leaks and inefficiencies. Experience a smoother, more powerful ride with A Premium. Upgrade your engine today. Number 3. Geluoxy 615 to 375 Engine Intake Manifold Replacement, your ultimate solution for improved engine performance. Crafted with precision, this intake manifold ensures optimal airflow for enhanced combustion efficiency. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting reliability, while the seamless installation process makes it a breeze to upgrade your engine. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and hello to smooth power delivery with the Geluoxy 615 to 375. Upgrade your ride today and experience the difference. Number 4. Auto Dynasty's Factory Style Intake Manifold Compatible. Crafted for seamless integration, this manifold enhances engine performance with precision engineering. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while the sleek design adds a stylish touch under the hood. Experience improved airflow and increased horsepower for an exhilarating drive. Upgrade your vehicle with Auto Dynasty's quality assurance and unleash the full potential of your engine. Dominate the road with confidence and power. Number 5. Ford Upper Intake Manifold with Gaskets Compatible, your go-to solution for engine performance enhancement. Crafted with precision engineering, this manifold ensures optimal airflow for increased power and torque. Its compatibility with a range of vehicles makes it versatile and practical for various automotive enthusiasts. The package includes high-quality gaskets for a seamless installation process, reducing downtime and hassle. Say hello to smoother acceleration and improved throttle response with the Ford Upper Intake Manifold, your engine's new best friend. In conclusion, selecting the right intake manifold for your Ford F150 is crucial for optimal performance. Whether you prioritize power gains, fuel efficiency, or overall engine responsiveness, there's a manifold out there for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video for more updates on all things automotive.